Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing Farm Life Part 2, moving into a new farmhouse. So, let's get on the way. So for the new farmhouse, we're gonna have, well, way more than the little farm that we lived in, but we never know. Nate is on vacation right now, so it's just me moving in right now. I guess I could speed a little. I guess there's no cops, so I'm not gonna just go that slow. And yes, guys, I did get a lift kit on the truck. That's why it looks taller. But anyways, we're on the way to the farmhouse. So the new farmhouse is like a mansion. It has 5 bedrooms. 5 bedrooms, and we just got it. It just got it built earlier earlier this month, and it's safe to move into now. So how does the new farmhouse look for the videos? I do think I already got someone to move the chickens. Here, we left the cows at the old farm, but anyway, I have to get chicken feed because I don't think we don't have any at the new farm. They told us, so I need to go get the chicken feed, and after chicken feed, I don't even know what to do. Probably start picking bedrooms. I should have looked around the house before I just did this. The guy with the chicken feed said he would meet me over here in this neighborhood at his house. Oopsies. Okay, I'm here to pick up the chicken feed. He said it's on the porch. Okay, the chicken feed is on the porch. Okay, let me get that. Okay, that's in the bag. Now we have to go feed the chickens and explore the new house. Should I speed on the back roads? So close, I should just follow the limit. Or this is right there. Okay, so when we have to go feed the chickens. Okay, let me get the chicken feed. Let me throw it in there. Okay, let me pour some of the rest in here. Okay, now chickens are fed. We're gonna go explore the house. Let's park the truck here. When May gets back, she does have a new car. She said so she's buying a new car from vacation, but this is the house. Bedroom, bathroom, I think, and then this would be another bedroom. Yes. Hallway. This is I already saw this house a little from the pictures. Dining room, hallway, laundry room, garage. Garage, kitchen, living room, and another living room. It's like a little lounge area. dining room, another small bedroom, which I don't know who's in it. This is the master bedroom, which is mine. Bathroom, closet. No. May's bedroom is upstairs. I should close the doors, so. And then this is May's room. She gets the bathroom and the this bedroom, the whole second floor basically. Now we explored the house. Oh, another dining room. Now that we explored the house, we need. I don't know what we should do now. Maybe go to a visitor's grill. Well, we don't have no food in the fridge, I bet. Yeah, we should go get some food from bulk. Okay, just go get bulk food products, and I don't know what to get. Maybe I should go somewhere to eat. Oh, so after I get the food and stuff, we're gonna bring it to the house. Then go back to maybe to Visitor's Grill or McDonald's maybe to go get some food. Since McDonald's is right here, I'm just gonna go pick up some food. I don't feel like going inside. Nah, I'll just go outside. It takes so long to find this turn. Then after we take this turn, there should be a bulk. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, the sentence still that. Sorry, sir. Stop. It's okay. You're acting. Okay, we're gonna get some stuff. Salt. Ketchup chips. I never had that. I'll just get a whole bunch of chips for the house. Okay. Got some chips. I'm not taking a basket. Get some of this. Oh. A mug. Get pencils. I guess I'll get a case. Anything? I'll get this for me. I'm gonna go check out. I'm gonna scan. Okay. $30. Okay. I'm gonna have to bring this house and go stop for McDonald's. Open a machine. What will I get? I'm gonna put my potato chips in my backpack. Let me try and get one in this coffee. Beans, that'll go good in the house. I'm only doing this 5 times. Come on, so many beans. Guess I got a Bloxy Cola. Okay, well, that's gonna be the end for today's video. Bye, guys.